The JEETEE 12.5 inch nonstick frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a stone coating. This coating helps prevent food from sticking. So, cooking eggs or omelets becomes a breeze. The pan's nonstick surface is like a dream. Food glides off easily. Cleaning up is also super simple. You can say goodbye to scrubbing hard after cooking. This pan makes your cooking day easier. This JEETEE 12.5 inch nonstick frying pan also features a heat-resistant handle. The handle stays cool to the touch. This is a great safety feature. You can hold and move the pan without worries. The design is also quite appealing. Its gray color adds a touch of beauty to your stovetop. It is a practical tool. It also looks good. This pan could be a fantastic recommendation for anyone needing a new skillet. The JEETEE 12.5 inch nonstick frying pan works well on induction cooktops. It is also compatible with other stovetops. These include gas and electric. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This conduction of heat ensures your food cooks perfectly. Whether you are making a quick breakfast or a simple dinner, this pan is a reliable choice. It is a handy tool to have in your stock of kitchen essentials. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick coating, easy to clean, heat-resistant handle, induction compatible, works on all stoves, PFOA-free, safe and healthy, aluminum material, heats evenly, good for eggs, good for omelets. Cons: aluminum material, might scratch easily, no lid included, made in China, not dishwasher safe. Handle is bakelite, could develop hot spots, non-stick may degrade. Features: non-stick surface, stone coating, 12.5 inch size, omelet pan, heat-resistant handle, induction ready, gray color, durable build, easy to clean, versatile use. This JEETEE 12.5 inch frying pan has a non-stick surface with a stone coating, making it easy to cook eggs and omelets without them sticking. It's a good size for cooking and has a handle that stays cool to the touch. The pan can be used on induction cooktops and is gray in color. It is built to last and is also easy to clean, making it useful for many different kinds of cooking. This JEETEE 12.5 inch frying pan is good for cooking eggs and omelets because it has a non-stick stone coating, so food should slide off easily and it's simple to clean by hand. The handle stays cool while you cook. It can be used on all kinds of stoves, including induction ones. It's made of aluminum, which helps it heat up evenly. However, it might get scratched without careful use, and it doesn't come with a lid or can't be washed in a dishwasher. The handle is made of bakelite, and there's a chance it could develop hot spots or the non-stick coating might wear out over time. It's made in China and doesn't have any harmful chemicals like PFOA, which makes it a safer choice.